Now again, do I need another axe? No, I don't. And I think you'd be surprised at the price point. Just like stick it into the round like that. I don't think you can cut yourself with it. But check out that profile there. That's not too shabby. And we're going to test it in a second. This took me a while to find. And here she is. You know it. And welcome back, Fire Addicts, to another episode of Travis Does Firewood. And this is the cheapest wooden handle axe on Amazon. So a few weeks ago, I had an episode where I found the cheapest axe on Amazon, and I showcased it on my channel, and happened to be like a composite or a fiberglass handled axe. And one of you all out there requested that I do another episode, same topic, of a wooden handle axe. And I'm like, okay, I can do that. I can do that. Yeah. So I went to Amazon and I tried to find the cheapest wooden handle axe on Amazon, and here she is. Here she is right here. Okay. So paper action. Oh, they didn't even sheath it. There's not even like a rubber thing for the blade. Huh. Okay, so here she is. Now, before I get into specs, this took me a while to find. If you type on Amazon wooden handle axe, what you're gonna get is a bunch of hatchets, smaller handle, a boy's axe, maybe perhaps, and not an axe. Axe to me is a full handle, not like something that you have to use two hands to operate. Hatchets, in theory, you could just use one hand. Just be very careful, right? So this took me a while to find, and we're gonna test it in a second. But this is gonna be Trapper Hatcha, the Michigan axe. Now this is 3.5 pound head, and it's a 34-inch handle. Okay, let's check out the balance. It's not as balanced as the previous one with the fiberglass handle. It feels nice, but check out that profile there. That's not too shabby. And I like how the metal ring for the handle. Now, this handle is American hickory, okay, bad boys? This is awesome. And they have on the other side some warning labels. What does this say? It says, don't bang on the end to finish the split. Don't twist it. Well, we can twist it, right? A little bit. Wear safety goggles. Blah, blah, blah. And then I think it's in French and Spanish. So, well, the handle's American hickory, but the head says, made in Mexico. Which is fine. I guess I'd rather have it be in Mexico than China, right? But anyway, I like it. It's pretty sharp. I don't think you can cut yourself with it. It could probably be sharper, you know, but we're going to test it. So, without further ado, let's see what this cheapest wooden handled axe can do in some wood. All right. So first up, I like that. I like how you can just stick it into the round like that. I like how sharp that bad boy is. Anyway, first up here is some Douglas fir that I saved for this episode, for this test. Now, I usually don't like longer handles like this because I'm so short, but that's all they had. It's all they had. And at the price point. I need something, again, this is the cheapest wooden handle axe on Amazon, and I think you'd be surprised at the price point. But let's see how this goes. First swing, a little stuck. Okay, not too bad. I like it. This is so far easier to get out of the wood versus the other axe that we tested the other week. You know, that may have to do with the profile of the axe. I don't think it's the user error. Nice. Look at the straight grain wood. Looking great. No, that's what I need about having to twist it up. Just don't mess up the head. You know what I'm saying? There we go. There we go. Now we're rocking. Yeah, there's some bundle grade wood there. I like that thunk. When you get into the wood like that, it's great. There we go. We're jumping now. We're jumping. Yeah, this is. Okay. I think this is going to be not too bad. This axe right here. Now again, do I need another axe? No, I don't. But I want to do this for you. If you need another axe in your wood yard, something to split by hand, some axe therapy going on in your wood yard, but you don't want to spend $75, $100 and a quarter, $250 on a wooden handle axe, then don't. You don't have to. You have options. Now, is it going to be the quality point of other higher quality axes? Maybe not. But if you're just starting out, you need something to get you going, and or you just want, if you're cheap like I am, this might be your option right here. Now I'm not saying I'm not promoted by Amazon, by Trooper, how do you pronounce that? Do you know? Not sponsored by them by any means, but I think just a test of what the cheapest axe on Amazon, wooden handle axe, is it worth the price point? So far so good. That annihilated all that Douglas fir there. Next up, for your viewing pleasure, check this out. Some black locust. Let's see what this bad boy can do with the black locust. Now, black locust is going to be a harder wood, but this is some pretty straight grain stuff. I don't think I have an issue, but ooh, that clunked. That clunked. So far, I'm not feeling a difference of having the long handle. For me, it does have that little notch out that I like to have my pinky on, and then I use that to kind of like little flick action if need be, you know. If need be. I don't do it every time. Sometimes. Oh yeah, that's great. That feels good right there. And then you have that little, you just kind of hang it in the wood like this. Oh, it's not doing it. You're gonna have to add some more to it. I did it with the Douglas fir, but I won't do it with the black locust. There we go. A little bit. I hit the handle. You don't want to do that. Axe work is take practice. You don't want to overextend so you're hitting the wood. I need to put like a paracord wrapped around the top of the handle here to make sure that doesn't happen, because if you don't do axe work every day, you're prone to, like I just did, prone to hitting the handle with the wood, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because that's not good for the axe, especially when with the wooden handle axe. You want to make sure. Ooh, this is stubborn. This might be a challenge here, folks. So yeah, what I was saying, with the wooden handle axe, you want to protect it as much as possible, because not everyone can hang a wooden handle axe. If you break a handle and all you have is this head with wood inside, how prone are you going to be to rehang that axe yourself? And a lot of us would probably say no, myself included, and I have an example of that soon. For you. But so far, this axe here, I think it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, one-handed. I mean, not one-handed. Really small stroke, not a full stroke. This one, the wood needs a full stroke. Just a half stroke like that. That's nice. Can I twist it? Oh yeah. That crunch noise when you pull it apart. You know it. Oh baby. Yes. Woo. Okay. So quick episode. Just wanted to share cheapest wooden handle axe on Amazon. Is it worth it? Now, drum roll please, $55 pre-tax. That's the cheapest wooden handle axe that I have found. Now, and I spent some time because there's I didn't want to get the cheapest maul. Now, when you're splitting axes, you can argue, well, you have to use a maul because different axes for having to chop and split. Okay, fine. I didn't buy a maul because I wanted a splitting axe. In my opinion, a maul and a splitting axe is different. The maul is going to this massive, huge head, where splitting axe has the profile. Now, I'm not an expert. You could argue that profile is not for splitting. Well, okay. Well, in this case, an axe is an axe is an axe, okay? It's not a hatchet. It's a full-length handle, maybe too longer for some of us. Maybe you buy this head because it's cheap enough, and you cut it off, and you rehang it on another handle that you have in your yard that is maybe shorter, maybe it's longer. There's a curve to this, which I do like. It's not as curvy as I would like, but there is a curve to it. I'm not sure how they did this head. It looks like they could have nailed it down further type thing. I don't think this handle goes with this head very well, but then again, I'm not an expert. But $55 seems to be quite expensive. But I think a lot of you want the feel of wood in your hand. You don't want fiberglass. You don't want composite. You don't want plastic. You want wood. A wood handle to feel the chop, that you feel safer. There's more of a grip for you. And that's totally valid. Totally valid. I hear you. So there you have it for you all watching. Cheapest wooden handle splitting axe on Amazon. That's the review. Would I buy it again? Yeah, probably. It's a pretty nice axe. Again, I don't need this axe. I like the profile. It's not too bad. It did excellent with this wood. And again, axe therapy, I think, is the way to go sometimes. Just get out there, split a few rounds, get the energy going, the blood flowing. Just kind of zone out and focus on the wood and your axe. Because when you're using an axe, there's no room for error. That's all you should be thinking about, is the wood in front of you and the axe that's in your hand. So, wooden handle, rock and roll, just for you folks. 3.5 pounds. What was the other one had? I think it was a little heavier than this. I want to say it was. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you think this is worth it, would you pass on it? Would you buy it yourself? I want to know, because I think, again, if I personally would never spend $250 plus on an axe. Maybe it's a collector's item, antique, it's all fancy. A lot of us, too, would agree an axe is an axe is an axe. So, at that price point, I think you can't go wrong. If you can find a cheaper wooden handle axe on Amazon, let me know, and maybe we can go from there. But this is what I could find, and I spent like an hour plus looking, because it was a pain in the butt. Because of they want to give you a bunch of hatches and other things, and they were cheaper, but I want an axe. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. And remember, life is too short to be a prick, so be kind to one another. Rock and roll. Stay safe, keep cutting. Cheers. Anyway, yeah, so, this is dented right here. I'm not gonna open the box as cool as I did last time. Opening the boxes with keys usually works, but they double taped it. Anyway, it's just, yeah. Can you see that okay? Let's bring it closer. First up here,